Hello guys, welcome to the fifth video in this tutorial series. So in the last video we were successful in creating the database which is going to be holding our data. So right now what we need to do is to create a connection between the database and also create an insert query that will send our information to the database itself. So right now let's just do that right away. Right now let's go to the design view. Right now we've already created our database, but there's no connection between our job here and the database itself. So right now let's click on the database here. Please follow along. On this database panel, I want to create a database itself. So I'll create a database connection and call it chat box. Then under this MySQL server, remember we are using the local testing server, so call it localhost. Username root, password is nothing, so you can select database. If this information are wrong, this is going to send you back telling you error messages and the rest. So our database name is chat1. We select that. You can just test it if you want. It's a connection was successfully created. There we go. Now our database connection has been created, and if you come to the folder here, you see our database here that has been created. So what we need to do right now is to do the insert query, because we want a situation whereby when we enter information into these fields and we click the set button, it should be able to send our information straight to the database. So before we do that, let's create a record set. The reason for this record set is because this record set will hold our data which we are going to be using in a while. So let's create the record set and call it, well, you can call your record set anything you want, but I'll call mine chat. And the connection is chat box. The table we are picking it from should be chat1. What's happening? Chat1 is not here. Let's do that again. Okay, yeah, we're taking it from chat box as a connection. Then the table itself should be from chat1, but right now I can't even establish a connection between that. So that is it. We'll take from chat. So let's just give it a name of chat. Then we won't filter it, because if we want to filter it by ID and the rest, that will require leaving the basics of which we are here for. But in the subsequent tutorials I'll show you how to use the filtration method to filter it, either by ID, name, or message, or the time itself to which it was queried. But for right now, we'll just leave it the way it was. So I'll save it, and then on our server behavior, what we need to do right now is to do the insert query. This insert query should be able to insert our details every time we enter a name and a message, and it will send it to the database and return it back to us. So our connection is chat box, our table is chat. For the first one, name, it doesn't get a value, so we'll pick it from test feed 1. Second one, test feed 2. That is it. for the time. It does not get the value from here, it's going to get it from the database itself. And it says after it has inserted, where should it go? We want it to return back to this chart box itself. So let's just we're returning back to chart.php. That should be it. Let's save. Now this process is complete, and if you go behind, the simple codes has been added to it and all that. So let's just save and navigate back to our job, refresh. Then you can say, let me just set up a name here, and for this we'll still add one more line of code to the text box, where I'll say Ububu as a name, the message, say hello guys. I just hit the send button. There we go. So let's check if our data was sent to our database by clicking on the browse button. Here we go. Our data was sent, and this is the ID that was assigned to it, ID 1, the name Ububu. Then this one says hello guys, can I join you guys? And this is the time to which it was sent. It's beginning from the time of the system, and the date is also appended to it. So right now it means our insert query is working, but if you come back to our chart, there's nothing displaying here. So what we'll be doing in the next video is show you how you can make all those display here in subsequent times. So I'll see you in the next video. Just follow along. Thank you.